Of a problem solving session, we shall be doing the problems both in the MCQ format and also in a lengthy pattern or in a elaborate pattern, so that you understand each and every problem in detailed manner. So in today's problem solving session, the first problem of the day is this: the two gases in adjoining vessels were brought into contact by opening a stopcock between them, and one vessel measured 0.25 liter and contained nitrogen oxide gas at 800 torr and 220 Kelvin. The other measured 0.1 liter and 220 Kelvin. Now the reaction to form N2O4 exhausts the limiting reagent completely. So neglecting the vapor pressure of N2O4, what is the pressure of the gas remaining at 220 Kelvin after the completion of the reaction? And then we have to measure what is the weight of N2O4 that is formed. So kindly go through this particular problem. There are two parts. We have to calculate the pressure of the gas, and also we have to calculate the weight of N2O4 that has been formed. So here, consider this fact that there are two particular vessels like this. It contains NO at 800 torr, 0.25 liter, 220 Kelvin. It's interconnected. This is O2 at 600 torr, 0.1 liter and 220 Kelvin. So what is the reaction to form N2O4? So we have to write down first the reaction to form N2O4. And the reaction to form N2O4 is something like this, that there will be 2NO plus O2, both are gases, and this will give rise to N2O4, which is a solid. So one thing is, this is 2 mole stoichiometrically, and 1 mole of oxygen will react with this 2 mole of nitric oxide in order to give me 1 mole of N2O4. Now according to the ideal gas equation, what is the number of moles of NO? The number of moles of NO will be equal to 800 divided by 760. I am just converting this into atmosphere, multiplied by 0.25 liters divided by 0.0821, which is the value of R, multiplied by 220, which is equal to 0.014 and 6. Similarly, we have to calculate the number of moles for oxygen. The number of moles for oxygen is equal to 600 divided by 760 multiplied by 0.1 liter, which was the volume. This whole divided by 0.0821 multiplied by 220, which is equal to 4.37 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 3 exactly. So which is the number of moles of NO used? The number of moles of NO used is, so which is equal to 2 multiplied by 4.37 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 3. So this is the moles of NO used. So what is the number of moles of NO left? So number of moles of NO left this is equal to 0.0146 minus 2 into 4.37 into 10 to the power of minus 3. which is equal to 5.86 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 3. So this is the number of moles of NO that is left. So after calculating the number of moles of NO that is left, we have to calculate the final volume. So the final volume is equal to 0.1 liter plus 0.25 liter, which is equal to 0.35 liter. So pressure due to NO left which is equal to 5.86 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by 0.35 multiplied by 0.0821 multiplied by 220. So this total value becomes equal to 0.3 atmosphere. So this is the pressure due to the nitric oxide that is left. Now secondly, we have to calculate the final mass of N2O4. So final mass of N2O4, this can be calculated like follows. 1 mole of oxygen is equal to 1 mole of N2O4, which is equal to 4.37 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 3, which is equal to 92 multiplied by 4.37 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 3. We are multiplying it by 92 because 92 is the molecular weight for N2O4. So this gives you a value of 0.402 grams. Hence we can see that the mass of N2O4 that has been formed is equal to 0.402 gram. So this is how you calculate or move about with this particular problem. So this was the first problem of our session, and we now move on to the next problem of our session.